Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here a Bandai model kit of the AV-98 Patlabor from the live action series Patlabor The Next Generation. And this is your 1/48 scale from Bandai, which is a bit hard to find nowadays, but luckily I bought this from Mandarake, Japan, and there we got the finished product of this very nice and realistic looking mecha model of the Patlabor. And to be honest, in my opinion, that this model kit here has the possibility to have in the future. What I mean is, since robot or mechanical machines are about being made in the world nowadays, I guess Patlabor or this kind of design for police force will be possible in the near future. So police might drive or pilot one of this kind of mecha model or mecha suit in the near future. And I really hope because this is really nice. It will help bust crimes in the future. Okay, so much for that. So we got here this kind of mecha here that is really nice in terms of the sculpt. As we can see, we got the fine details for this kit. Although I didn't do the panel line or markings yet because I'm lazy to do. But if you're ever to do some panel line and decals application for this kit will shine in its glory. Yep, that's how this kit look like in the other reviews. But this kit is just a straight build out of the box, and let's review this. Okay, so Patlabor here consists of black, mostly black, and white parts. So white is the majority, second is the black. Then we got here accents like the gold police crest on the center of the chest. Then we got here the siren lights on the shoulders, and we got here the green visor, clear green visor for the head. Okay, the head camera. So this is a simple kit. There's nothing much to do with this kit except for this one, except for posing, of course. Posing is a bit problematic for this kit due to the fact that this kit has the garbage bag, or what I call garbage bag, or plastic, black plastic on the joint, same like the FA-78 or the Thunderbolt full armor Gundam. So there we can see this plastics here covering the joints. This one in the thigh, the knees or the popliteal part here, and also in the elbow and the shoulder part here. You can see those plastic coverings, which is a bit annoying at first when I'm building it. I feel annoyed because this tends to resist because it has a thick consistency. But for some attempts, a series of attempts, I also perfected placing this on the proper place here. Okay, so let's go with the articulation of the kit. So the kit here has this head. It can nod down, and it can look up like that, but it cannot do further tilt upward. Okay, so the head can move from side to side, can rotate like this, but I'm just being careful on moving this kit because of some brittleness, of course, from the plastic. um, Mind you, there are some parts here that might easily break, so just be careful when building and playing with this kit. Okay, so we go with the shoulder. So the shoulder here is a bit stiff due to the plastic covering on the joints, but it can rotate so far. This elbow here, or the shoulder here, can rotate 360 degrees. The arm, the whole arm, and the shoulder armor can move up to this far, exposing the plastic covering of those shoulder parts there. Okay, and the flaps here can move up like that, can open like that in this manner. Okay, and the elbows can bend up to this far, so I'm just being careful because of there's some resistance on those plastic pieces, which is very annoying, to be honest. Okay, so the hands, by the way, this is a trigger finger and three split finger here, or three joint finger and one trigger finger. Okay, so it's a bit articulated, same like your old Bandai Master Grade, and the thumb is in ball joint like that. So there, if you're going to put some panel line there, this hand will shine to its glory. Okay, so the cockpit here has this kind of gimmick, so it can open like that. You need to pull this out first before you can open upward and downward on this one, revealing the pilot figure there, which I didn't color yet because I don't like painting those figure yet. So there you can see the pilot figure. Okay, so when closing, you need to press this up, and then this one press down and press inward like that. Very nice, very easy. And the legs can kick up to this far, and it can kick back up to this far, but this plastic pieces here is really annoying. It annoys me, to be honest. And the knees can bend up to this far, but there's a great resistance on those plastic pieces here. Okay, the plastic parts there, so it can split a bit like that, but now it feels loose on the joint now since I'm playing with it. So there's a looseness on that. So I'm very careful moving this because I don't like to dislodge the plastic. It's very hard to assemble and apply. Okay, so the feet here, to be honest, I really like the appearance of the feet. As you can see there, the feet has this kind of design, whereas the anime Patlabor, it's like a Gundam feet, but the live action film is a bit mechanical. So there, it has a piston designs there, but it's not functioning because it's just like a form for that. Okay, so it can swivel side to side, and it can do tiptoes and plantar flex, and the extend is up to this far only. There. Okay, so just be careful with this crotch here. It's supposed to be this a hook, and those black structure there is the wire, but of course this is not a wire, it's just a piece of plastic. But what happened is I snapped this hook here, and I just put some super glue. Okay. Good thing it's a clean snap. So the weapons of this Patlabor here comprises of the Magnum and the baton. Okay. So the Magnum is just a one piece. This is a one piece, but this revolver here is supposed to be rotating. This one, the cartridge. Okay. The cartridge is supposed to be revolving, but it got stuck. So I don't like to rotate it. I might broke the peg inside. And this button here is just a one piece of plastic. So there is for the melee weapon. The gun, to be honest, is placed here on the compartment here. So we got two guns. Another one is inside, but I just exposed the other half or the other piece. Okay, so there can hold pretty much securely like that. It's very easy to apply. So there. Oops. Okay, there we go. Already placed the gun in his right hand. There, can shoot criminals. And for the button, let's just put it here on the other hand. Okay, so there's this button here that is undeployed, not deployed yet. But if you're going to, for example, deploy it, you need to remove that. But I'm lazy to do so. I might lose it if I remove. So let's do some size comparison for this kit. So let's compare it with the Kotobukiya 1/60th scale Fafnir. So this Patlabor here is a bit taller than the 1/60 scale Fafnir. So let's compare it with the 1/72 scale model kit from Plamax, which is the AV-98. Okay, so they are about the same height. So let's compare it with the Master Grade 1100 Gundam F90. So Gundam F90 here is a bit shorter than the Patlabor, but of course this is a 1/48 scale and this is a 1/100 scale, the small 1/100. And finally we got here the regular size Master Grade 1/100 from the Gundam 8MS team, the Gundam Easy 8. So they're almost the same height, but still Easy 8 is a bit taller than the Patlabor. So thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope you like this Patlabor model kit from the Patlabor The Next Generation. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, happy building. Masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam sa inyong lahat.
Girls, siguraduhin may hari si Mister para laging malakas, energized at handa sa lahat ng hamon araw-araw.